Hi there, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, California, and I'm going to show you some laminate floor fitting tips. It's a great idea to install more than one row at a time. This creates more stability and you won't have your floor shifting around on you too much. So let me get these first 3 rows assembled. My second tip for you is when you put the boards together, you won't find this in the instructions. If you're having trouble snugging your boards up on the long run, if you use a very soft mallet, rubber mallet, and you don't smack it too hard, you can tap those puppies right in. Now, my third tip for you involves when you have a short board starting a row, sometimes you go to put the next board attached to it in, and the first board keeps coming apart at the seams. So, if you put your weight on the short board and you snug up that board along the long run, take a rubber mallet or the palm of your hand, but that can get painful. And just the weight on that board ought to keep it from popping out on you. Finally, when you go to make a cut or a series of cuts, bring both sides of the board in and set your starter boards right where you're going to need them. If you leave them out by the saw, you're making extra trips running back and forth. But every time you make a cut, separate them, in boards, starting boards, and put your starters right where you're working. Once again, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, California, and I just showed you some laminate floor fitting tips.